$1,000 luxury wallet used to be this discarded shark skin. In the next few minutes, I'll take you inside.
Welcome inside Aqualux Tannery. I'm Mia, and today I'll show you how we turn discarded shark skin waste into jet.
Step 1 is raw material intake. Refrigerated trucks deliver shark skin byproducts from licensed seafood plants, skins that used to be thrown away at the end of processing.
Every batch is weighed and logged. We record the source plant, shark species, and total mass, data that follows the skin. Next, we sort by thickness and texture. Back, flank, belly. Each part of the shark skin behaves differently in tanning.
Before any processing, we stabilize the shark skins in cold storage. Low temperatures keep the collagen fibers intact and prevent bacterial growth.
We keep them just above freezing, cold enough to slow down any decay, but warm enough that the skins stay flexible for washing and descaling.
When it's time to run a batch, we pull the sorted skins straight from chilled storage and send them to the cleaning and prep line. Step 2, cleaning and prep. Here, high-pressure washing lines strip away salt, residue.
Multiple stages of jets hit the skins from every angle, dissolving, softening any dry tissue.
This isn't just rinsing, it's industrial level cleaning. By the time these shark skins leave this tunnel,
Once the skins are clean, we tackle the armor. Shark skin is covered in tiny tooth-like denticles.
specialized rotary wheels abrade the denticles without cutting too deep.
Here we inspect and trim. Any skin that still has rough patches goes back through. Edges are cleaned up so they'll lie flat in the tanning drums.
Step 3 is transformation. Cleaned shark skins go into large, rotating tanning drums.
We program exact recipes, pH, temperature, rotation.
Inside, the skins tumble for hours. Tanning chemicals bond with the collagen, turning fragile shark hide. When the tanning cycle is complete, the shark skins are no longer raw. They're officially luxury-grade leather sheets, ready for mechanical shaping.
Straight from the drum, the leather is thick and uneven. Hydraulic flattening rollers compress and even out the material, setting a consistent base thickness before drying.
After flattening, we move the leather into controlled humidity drying rooms.
Warm, filtered air circulates around every sheet, pulling out moisture evenly.
Since dry and stable, the shark leather now has the backbone of a luxury material. Next, we refine the surface so it feels as premium as it looks.
Surface smoothing machines use ultra-fine abrasives to level micro bumps and faint scars from the original shark skin.
You can see the difference already. The natural microtexture is still there, but the harsh peaks are gone.
Step 4 is finishing and polishing. First, we flood the shark leather with deep penetration dyes, turning it.
We immerse the leather completely so dye reaches every fiber. Shark leather's tight structure needs time and motion for color to penetrate evenly.
After a timed cycle, the leather emerges fully saturated, jet black all the way through, not just on the surface.
Robotic buffing arms apply a controlled glossy finish, polishing the dyed shark leather until it sparkles like tiny black diamonds under the light.
This is the signature look of shark leather. A deep black pool of color scattered with microscopic highlights. Laser cutters turn these sheets into precise panels for wallets and other accessories, nesting shapes tightly so we use as much shark leather as possible.
The laser gives us perfect edges and sharp corners, critical for luxury wallets where every seam must line up flawlessly.
We kit every component needed for one wallet, outer shell, card slots, inner pockets, so the assembly line can work efficiently without hunting for parts.
Step 5, final assembly and packaging. Skilled stitchers and precision machines turn these shark leather panels into fully finished wallets.
We use fine, high-strength thread and tight, consistent stitching so seams stay perfect for years, even when the
Inner pockets and card slots are stacked with millimeter accuracy. Any misalignment will show instantly on a minimalist black luxury wallet.
Once the interior is complete, we fold the wallet and run a final perimeter stitch, locking all the shark leather layers into a single, solid piece.
Edge trimmers shave away any tiny steps between layers, giving the wallet a clean, uniform profile. One continuous line of shark leather around the entire perimeter.
We seal and tint the edges with flexible paint,
protecting the shark leather layers and giving the wallet that continuous.
Even though shark leather is naturally tough, we add a transparent waterproofing layer to shield against spills, sweat, and everyday wear.
After waterproofing cures, we give each wallet a final hand polish. This blends the finish, deepens the black.
Before any wallet earns that $1,000 price tag, it passes inspection. Alignment, stitching, edge finish, and overall feel are all checked by hand.
We simulate years of use in minutes, flexing the shark leather again and again to make sure it won't crack or delaminate.
Proved wallets receive a discreet, heat-pressed logo, subtle enough for luxury clients, but crisp enough to mark the shark leather's origin and craftsmanship.
Packaging. High-end leather deserves high-end packaging. Recycled rigid boxes, velvet pouches, and custom.
Each box includes a story card explaining how discarded shark skin waste was transformed into a $1,000 piece of luxury leather. Labels list model, material, and that eye-catching price point. $1,000 for a wallet born from seafood industry waste.
Every wallet is scanned into our system, linked to its tanning batch, dye lot, and even the original seafood plant where the shark skin came from.
For shipping, we protect these $1,000 shark leather wallets just as carefully as we made them, shrink-wrapped and secured on pallets.
From here, the wallets travel to flagship boutiques, luxury department stores, and red carpet gifting suites around the world.
Shipping finished product is one part of the story. The other is what we save, from waste, from landfills, and from unnecessary resource use.
We track everything: how many shark skins we upcycle, how much water we reuse, and how little solid waste we send to landfill. All the water from washing, tanning, and dyeing comes here. We filter and clean it so it can go back into the process instead of being wasted.
Even the parts we remove, like shark denticle dust and trimming scraps, are sold to partners who turn them into specialty abrasives and collagen products.
Air scrubbers capture fumes and odors from tanning and dyeing, so the air leaving the factory is nearly odorless and clean.
A portion of the energy running our drums, washers, and lasers comes from on-site solar. In our lab, we measure how shark leather performs, how strong it is, how it resists wear, compared to traditional cow leather.
Shark leather's dense, fibrous structure lets it withstand extreme tension. One reason it can be thinned down for slim wallets without losing durability.
We also test abrasion. The goal is a wallet that can rub against pockets, keys, and coins for years without losing its jet black shine.
After thousands of passes, the surface still holds its color and microtexture, with only minimal visible wear under close inspection.
From raw, denticle-covered skin to a refined, jet black wallet worth $1,000, that's the journey happening behind these walls every day.
Up close, shark leather looks almost unreal. Microscales turned into a smooth, glossy landscape that plays with light every time you move it.
That same upcycled shark leather can become wallets, card holders, or full-size etch accessories.
Despite its strength, shark leather stays supple. It molds to your pocket and hand over time instead of cracking or stiffening.
Remember the waterproofing booth? Here's what it looks like in the real world. So let's rewind. In this one building, discarded shark skin waste becomes cleaned, tanned, dyed, buffed.
From refrigerated trucks and industrial washers, to descaling units, tanning drums, and careful drying.
To high-gloss finishing, laser cutting, meticulous stitching, and luxury packaging, every step adds value to what started as waste.
It's not magic. It's engineering, chemistry, design, and craftsmanship, focused on a material the world once considered nothing but waste.
From this door, chilled shark skins enter our world as a problem to solve and leave as a solution. One material, two destinies, buried as waste or reborn as something people value and care for. We work closely with designers, sharing digital patterns and material data so they know exactly how shark leather will behave before it ever hits the cutting table.
Pastung. Life cycle studies show that when we start with existing seafood waste, shark leather can dramatically cut.
All of this infrastructure exists for one idea, that luxury doesn't have to start from the moment shark skins roll off a truck to the instant a wallet is sealed in its box. Every step is mapped and controlled.
Zoomed out, it's just a factory. But inside, it's a bridge between two worlds, seafood processing and high-end fashion.
When you see a $1,000 Shark leather wallet, you're not just looking at a price. You're seeing the value of engineering.
Instead of throwing these shark skins away, we turn them into something long-lasting, something people can carry and care for every day.
That's the big secret of many luxury leather brands. Behind the glamour, there's an entire hidden world of machines, chemistry, and careful hands, all starting from something the seafood industry used to discard at the end of the day.
This is Aqualux Tannery, where discarded shark skins find a second life as high-performance, high-value leather.
From the outside, you might never guess that thousands of shark skins are being reborn here every week.
But that's the power of upcycling at scale, taking something hidden and turning it into something visible.
Discarded shark skin waste in, $1,000 luxury leather out. Traced, tested, and tuned every step of the way.
If you ever hold one of these in your hand, you'll know exactly what it took to get it there.
Turning discarded shark skin waste into $1,000 luxury leather. Upcycled from licensed seafood byproducts, fully traceable and crafted to last for decades. To learn more about shark leather upcycling and see the full collection, visit our site.
Thanks for watching.